Saturday, May 13th, day before Mother's Day. Brunch is almost activated. Brunch activates at noon here. We're on DEFCON 5 right now. Everything's safe and sailing right now. We're hanging out, staff's here, team's here, backup house is on point. We'll see how that perceives in about an hour or two, but I think we're cruising today. Everyone's locked in. Oh, not for the camera, Ryan. We just pray you never hear that outside. We just did an inventory, courtesy of Oscar. 236 items broken in a single month. Or missing, or stolen. I'm tweaking out about Mother's Day, honestly. We're a little bit nervous because the oven's broken. We have 40 reservations, 180 covers on top of walk-ins coming in. I'm just hoping that the food can be delivered, we pace the kitchen properly, and the food can come out on time. I can't think of a more catastrophic situation than a bunch of pissed off moms coming in on Mother's Day and we destroyed their Mother's Day. That would be, I would just close, pack up shop, go back to the East Coast after that. I can't fuck that up, so.
Y'all ready to rumble? Hey, I'm Blake. We're gonna meet everyone in the kitchen. The queen of the kitchen runs everything. It's you, Lacey. Without her, we would be nothing.
Everything goes through her. It comes from the kitchen. She dishes it out, and that's how we get it to the customers.
Then you see Victor. He is the king chef.
He's the head chef out here. He makes everything. Look at him working. Great guy. All he does is great. Victor, say hi.
Hey, Victor, say hi. Victor, say hi, Victor.
Victor
doesn't want to say hi.
He's busy. He's busy. That's the dedication. Doesn't even have time to say hi to the camera. Ryan right here, he's the runner. So from Ulacey, they work in tandem. He brings out the food with Ulacey. That's how we get it to the customers in a timely manner.
What's your name?
Soy Ney.
Nombre?
Francisco.
Francisco.
Nieto de Donald Trump. Tú.
What? Donald Trump?
Not even gonna talk about it. Let the food do the talking. Get out of here. Never want to see the red. We're at 25 minutes on peak brunch. It's not bad. Most people wait 25 to 30 minutes, but we like to make it under 20 minutes. You could fall off the tracks, and then eventually all tickets are at 35 minutes. Not what you want back here, and it's definitely not what you want out there. How do you afford just dine and dash on us? I gotta chase them down and put them in the headlock. We get dine and dash from the people you least expect it. Two older women. They ordered 2 drinks, drank them, and ran. We can't do anything at dine and dash. We roll it over. We try to avoid it. We try to talk to the guests, but typically when it happens, it's one every few months now, and you just roll with the punches. You factor that into your P&Ls, and you assume that, you know, there's theft and waste, so.
Honestly, the most annoying part of every day is seating people. 2 people want to sit at a table for 6, and it's like, it's a disaster. And then they get mad at me, and I'm like, dude, I don't even have any control over this.
So a lot of the times we see people not eating the chopped salad. It might just be because of our huge portion. I mean, personally, it's fantastic. I grew up eating chopped Israeli salad, so we have shrooms pizza, which I get asked every single day is if it's psychedelic.
Where to? You're going to
You know what's the crazy part about it? It's been working just fine. This is one of the busiest weekends of the year, Mother's Day. We spent all week prepping, making sure everyone was happy, and the oven broke yesterday. We plan, we prepare, and of course something destructive happens. Something DEFCON 5 level just screws us all up. So yesterday I posted a TikTok saying that I want to give away free brunch to a deserving mom, a special mom. People wrote in amazing stories and things like that. Everyone's amazing in these comments. It's hard to pick, honestly. I think this is a unique opportunity. I can take 2 moms to brunch, fully paid for, and give them a really special day. And we're ordering 200 white roses. And we're gonna give a white rose to every single mom that comes in. I didn't see you there. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Nobody Works. It's scripted. It's literally not scripted. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Nobody Works, an unscripted, real-life look at what running a restaurant, working in restaurants really like. Stay unemployed. See you next week.